Hello and welcome back. And today we're going to talk about the take profit. But before we continue, I'd like to ask you to please leave a review for this course. It's very simple to leave a review. If you're on the main page of the course, all you have to do is click this link up at the top with the star which says write a review, and then select the number of stars you think the course deserves, and maybe write a short message with some feedback for me. I know we're not finished with the course yet, but I would really appreciate if you could leave a review based on the materials you have already seen. It would assist other students who have not yet signed up for the course in understanding whether the course is worth their while or not. And also it really helped me out, and I would really appreciate it. So if you could do that for me, that would be just fantastic. And now let's move on with our course. So, the take profit. Let's imagine that we have some sort of market movement which is illustrated by this line chart on the left, and also let's assume that your analysis at this point in time suggests that we should enter into a buy order, and that's exactly what we do. Well, a take profit is an additional order which you can make part of your buy order. So basically you can make this alteration to your buy order, specifying that if the price ever reaches a certain level, then you want your buy order to automatically be closed. So you can always close any order manually with just by clicking on it and telling the trading terminal to close the order. But in this case, you are embedding a condition in your buy order, which is called a take profit. And this condition will check whether or not the price is at or above a certain level, which is marked here with the red line. And as soon as the price is at that level or above it, then the order will be automatically closed. So let's have a look at an example. Let's assume the market kept moving from where we entered, went up, then went a bit down, and then shot up straight through the take profit level. The green cross here marks where the order would have been closed, so you wouldn't have to do anything at all. It would happen automatically. And therefore you would earn a profit from this order closing, and that's why this is called a take profit. Now, for a sell order, we have a similar situation. Let's assume this is the market line chart, and then our analysis tells us to enter into a sell order, which we successfully do. Well, we can also embed a take profit in the sell order. As you would imagine, the take profit for a sell order has to be below the entry point, because we will earn profit if the market goes down. We're taking a short position in the market. So let's see what happens next. The market goes against us for a bit, then goes in our favor, then kind of flattens out a bit, and then it goes straight through the take profit. And that's where our order gets closed, and we earn profit on the Forex market. That's why it's also called a take profit. So that was our take profit. Don't forget to leave a review for this course if you haven't yet, and until next time, happy trading!